Every good adventure in the Philippines begins with a long car ride. This one's no different.
All right, Sophia, where are we?
We're in Tagaytay Highlands.
And what lake is this?
Lake Tagaytay?
Lake Tall.
Oh.
And Tall Volcano. Point to Tall Volcano for us. Where is it?
Yeah.
I can't tell. You're pointing at a cloud. All right. It's very bright.
Oh, yeah.
We were invited by some friends to escape the hustle and bustle of Manila city life and descend into Tagaytay Highlands, a haven of tranquility nestled amidst the majestic mountains. Breathe in the crisp, cool air and soak in the breathtaking panorama of Taal Volcano Lake, a sight that will leave you speechless. The Highlands is a mountain resort divided into three parts, namely Highlands, Midlands, and the Greenlands.
Get a great view of the People's Park in the sky. We've been up there 2 or 3 times to be able to see a great view of Lake Tall and the surrounding area. I think that might be one of the highest points here in Tagaytay. It was built by a previous president of the Philippines, but now it's a park that you can go and enjoy the view and take great pictures.
The Highlands architectural design of the buildings were inspired from the designs of Mountain Resort and Ski Lodge building in Colorado.
I really like all these pine trees they have here at the Highlands. You don't see pine trees in the Philippines very much, and they really spruce the place up, wouldn't you say? All right, Amelia and Sophia are looking for horseback riding. Amelia is going to do a pony. Wait, you're doing this?
Yeah.
I thought you said you didn't care about horses. Maybe.
Okay. Everyone. Bisa parte. Photo picture. You can start, please. Are you okay? Okay.
Now don't expect much conversation because you know he's hoarse, right?
Dad, this is
What do you think, Amelia? Cowboy. Cowgirl. How's your ride? You know, after you're done, the horse gets to ride you, right? Well, girls, how was your life as a cowgirl?
Was it fun?
Was that pony nice to you?
Lean forward. Take your time and then shoot.
birdies. Good job, bud. Good? Yep, good to go?
I saw your
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
How was your airsoft?
Got many.
Nice.
I got
There you go.
18 shots.
But how many bullets did they give you? 500?
No,
Oh, 18?
probably 20
20 and you get 18? Man, that's good.
or 30 or 21.
Good
something.
work.
You can pet them if you want, you know.
Hey, you two. Slow down. Slow down. I'm trying to take a video. You're running too fast. Oh, it matches your hat. Sophia, that is a stylish hat.
Oh, you're so fancy.
Is it heavy?
No.
Well, that's good.
Okay. On your shoulder.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a pirate now.
Oh, hello. Hello. You're such a pretty bird. Yeah.
Probably want a cracker.
No.
It's Pirate Amelia. It's got her own parrot. What do you think?
It's falling off.
Look at my face, though, Amelia.
It's all right.
You can look up because the birdie's okay.
Smile.
Nervous.
I don't like this.
Yeah.
Put it closer.
I'm trustworthy, don't worry.
Closer, Dad.
I got it. Good job.
The other bird is like, what about me? You're so pretty, aren't you?
Finley, come over here so we can pet a hare.
This one looks like it has disease on it, so.
Oh dear, I hope they don't run.
Dad, stop making jokes.
Guys, it's dance music. Come on, Sophia. Show us your moves, Sophia. Come on. Oh no, I'm your friend. I'm your friend. I'm your friend. Hey guys. How you doing? How's life on the farm?
I don't whistle so good. Don't
Hey,
be mean.
remember, birds of a feather flock together. They don't fight. Be nice to each other. 2 months ago, it was Christmas. Did Santa visit you or were you bad?
They're not happy.
Sophia, look out. Duck, duck, goose.
They really want quackers.
Oh, nice. They're looking for quackers.
Good job. You're so proud. What is that thing?
Dude, Finn, go give that a hug.
I'm not going that.
All right, checking out the bowling alley. Oh, Finn, what in the world? This boy is crazy.
It's your turn. Go, go, go. Oh, that's okay.
Wait.
Mom is crushing me right now.
It's turning, it's turning, it's turning. Oh, that's good.
It's Chinese New Year Eve. It'll be busy in here tomorrow, don't you think? It's a pretty tree, huh?
Doing surgery.
Oh man. Can't hear you probably.
Happy Chinese New Year Eve. So we are in Tagaytay Highlands, and we're here because of the Chinese New Year. Okay, so what they have at this resort we're staying at is horseback riding, an animal farm where you can pet and feed the animals, go-kart riding, swimming pool, bowling, sports.
It's our morning. The weather is gorgeous here. Sophia and I are headed for a hike to find some breakfast.
We have to we went with some friends in this trip, and they have a car, but our driver had to leave, so their family went first, and we two stayed behind. So now we're just walking up the hill.
It is quite uphill, so it's a good workout, that's for sure. Wouldn't you say? But the breeze is beautiful, the views are great. The company I'm with, it's okay, but overall, it's good. Morning. Whew. We made it to the top.
In the morning, we headed to check out the park while the morning was cool, and then swim in the afternoon heat.
All right, girl.
Here you go.
Ashley, look at here. Ashley. Ashley, look at here.
I am.
Smile.
Wow, you're so now she can't get down though. That's the
Uh-oh.
issue. So maybe help her get down, Daniel.
But I'm sure you can do that.
Oh, good work, girl. Whoa.
No, come back around. Turn and march. Go, 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 go. Oh. Hey guys, stand there so I can get a picture of all of you.
Hi guys, and today I'm Buffman. This is you guys. This is me. I'm this big man and I gotta hold this pillar for the rest of my life. While doing 20 laps of swimming. Here we go.
Since it was Chinese New Year's Day, we wanted to show Amelia her first lion dance. It's a vibrant and energetic performance that's a major highlight of Chinese New Year's celebration. It believes to bring good luck for the new year.
Got a gorgeous rainbow to end our time here in Tagaytay Highlands.
It's time to say goodbye to the cool weather and gentle breeze of the highlands. What a great break from the heat of Metro Manila! It's even better when we got to spend time with friends on this trip.